So in this video today, I have created a beautiful, elegant Christmas tablescape. So come on with me, guys. Now, while I'm showing you this beautiful tablescape, I'll also be displaying my favorite holiday decor. Now, this video is a part of a collaboration called My Favorite Holiday Decor. This is being hosted by Jean Home Decor and More, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, that's myself, Design with Emma, Jennifer at Home, Debbie Bubbles, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Donna Decor and More, and Dream with Caroline. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to thank you so much for supporting my channels. And I will be linking those down below in the description box. Now I'm showing you the pieces first, and then we'll go ahead and move on over to my display. So this was a set that I thrifted, which was absolutely gorgeous. It was complete. The only thing missing was the other bowl to this, but it's the full set as far as the setting, the table setting. Isn't this absolutely gorgeous? I am loving it, and like I said at the beginning of the video, you saw the vase and it was a complete set walking into the thrift store. So this was an awesome buy. Anyway, I'm gonna let you enjoy the video as I show you the pieces, and then we're gonna head on over to take a closer look. So let's take a closer look of these beautiful pieces, guys. Now, I think this was a great score. It is elegant, can be used for any occasion, and I am absolutely loving it. So I hope you guys do as well. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.